Hey, this is Rick with Social Good Software. In this short example, I'm going to be walking you through the process of publishing your email. You took the time to create your query, you put together your content, you tested your email, you verified the email's working correctly. Everything is pretty much ready to go. You're ready to publish this automated email, and you just need to know how to do it at this point. So it's pretty easy. You click on the email designer here, and then this will pull up all the emails that you have. You go over to the email that you want to enable. Here it is. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and click on settings. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on start sending emails. So pretty much at this point, you just have to click save settings, and that's going to go ahead and start sending the emails on your behalf. It's really important when you click on save settings that you're 100% sure you want to turn it on, because as soon as you hit save settings here, all the emails from your query will start getting picked up and everything will be starting to go and get sent out for you. So it's really important that you take the time to troubleshoot, review, approve. If you have questions, reach out to us, and make sure you're happy with the email before you turn it on. So once you're ready, just click save settings and then you're done. In my case, I don't need to turn it on, so I'm just going to keep it off here. Once you enable it, you will see here all the emails will start getting cleared out from your preview. And then on your activity tab, you will see all the emails going out. And that's pretty much all there is to sending the email. If for any reason you want to go ahead and stop it, you can always go here and turn it off and click save settings, and I'll turn it off there. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to Social Good Software /feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com /feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.